Henry Danger the Musical is coming this July. But first, tonight, get ready for danger, Henry Danger.
Roger that.
Because these superheroes are becoming super spies.
They look hot.
He's right. I mean, he's not wrong.
And like all spies, they're going to need gadgets.
Proceed.
To fight the goons and get the girl.
You're cute.
Don't miss an all-new episode of Henry Danger, tonight at 8. Followed by a brand new episode of the sketch comedy show All That on Nick.
You're watching Nick.
All right, girls, this is going to be a while.
Welcome to Paris.
This is Paris, Texas.
Now it's mixed up.
Cheese.
You can make your own mixed up fun with Lunchables with 100% juice.
There's nothing better than being a toy, but it is an all-space adventure. So remember, through every tight situation,
Stop!
always be there for each other. And most importantly, for your kid.
Who's Woody talking to?
Those are the new recruits.
Now you can enjoy the fun of Toy Story 4 with milk, delicious apple slices, and an exciting toy in every Happy Meal. Only at McDonald's. Disney Pixar's Toy Story 4. Now playing. Rated G.
Lucky Fortune! Crack 'em, wear 'em, find your luck and share 'em.
Every Lucky Fortune cookie comes with a surprise bracelet and paper fortune. Can you find the ultra lucky real gold dipped clover?
Lucky Fortune!
The fans have spoken. The all-new All That is a smash hit.
This invention good!
It's a gift from TV Heaven.
I want it, I bought it, I got it.
And spit out your drink. Can't hold it in. Funny. It's the show everyone's talking about. Literally.
Did someone say... Literally?
Don't miss the all-new All That with a performance by Kane Brown. On Nickelodeon. Tonight, after an all-new Henry Danger at 8.
The happy high is a healthy high. So find a fun way to make your style. Do whatever makes your heart grin. And take a spin, then go and do it over again. Having that Cheerio that goes round and around.
Hold my pouch.
Trust us. Us kids are ready to take things into our own hands. Don't think so? Hold my pouch. Get ready for summer. Everything's on sale, up to 60% off. That's up to 60% off everything, with styles from just $4. Hurry in to Old Navy.
Hey, feed off the couch.
You can collect all 6 The Lion King stick-on patches inside specially marked boxes of Big G cereals like Cheerios. Disney's The Lion King, July 19th, rated PG.
Dive into all-ages luxury at Nickelodeon Hotels and Resorts Punta Cana. Your all-inclusive 5-star escape in the Caribbean. Play like a kid or indulge like a grown-up. The possibilities are yours to savor, share, and celebrate. Soak up every bit of fun and immerse yourself in the Charisma Gourmet Inclusive Experience. Book now and save. Call or visit nickresortpuntacana.com.
Hey, can I get a cranberry mango fizzy punch? Yeah, thank you.
Cute.
What? Oh, the drinks. Yeah, no, it's not for me. It's for my little sister.
I think you're cute.
Don't miss it all-new Henry Danger, tonight at 8, followed by an all-new All That. Keep it here.